Madison County today, earlier, about 3 hours ago, and I've captured it, and I'm gonna get this going.
It's rising.
Here's what happened.
The wind was southeast at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 18. The pressure was 30.18 inches and rising. Once again, at Lexington it was 78 degrees under cloudy skies. Elsewhere around the region, at Covington, a thunderstorm was reported with a temperature of 73. Rain was falling with a temperature.
My W100, this is the first time it's went off. LCD's a bit broken though, but it's working.
Conditions will continue with heat indices around.
It's not 3 minutes after midnight. It's just because this is reset.
Weather Service forecast for the bluegrass region of central Kentucky,
By the
including
way,
Lexington and surrounding areas.
you'd think the radio stack is louder than the
Scattered showers
organ.
and thunderstorms until midnight.
But nope,
Lows in the lower 70s.
this thing's on 6, this thing's
Northeast
on
wind
5.
up to 5 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 50%.
Well, this one's like
Monday,
12 on
partly
this and
cloudy with scattered showers and
this one goes
thunderstorms.
up to 7.
Highs in the upper 80s. Northeast winds up to 10 miles an hour.
Okay, normally in these EAS videos, it ain't bad, it's just a flood warning.
Highs in the lower 80s.
W100 again, but I'm not filming it.
Friday through Saturday night, mostly clear.
Oh my god, something bad's going on in there.
Lows around 60. Sunday and
It's just a flood warning, so I'm not gonna go to my shelter.
highs in the mid 80s.
Bye.
In the mid 60s.
I need to rate, comment,
National
subscribe.
Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Madison County in central Kentucky until
Peace out.
7:45 p.m.